We all want a healthier, more energetic life, right? Our bodies need essential vitamins and minerals to function at their best. These are the building blocks for strong immunity, glowing skin, better energy, and overall health. While many turn to supplements, did you know that you can get these nutrients naturally from something as small as seeds? Yes, seeds are nature's own multivitamins. Today, we're diving into the top 5 multivitamin-rich seeds that can nourish your body naturally. Plus, I'll share how to include them in your diet and even highlight any side effects you should watch out for. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B6, magnesium, and fiber. These nutrients are crucial for heart health, reducing inflammation, and improving digestion. However, moderation is key. Too much flaxseed can cause bloating or interfere with digestion. Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily and always grind them for better absorption. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny nutrient bombs loaded with vitamin E, B vitamins, and calcium. They are great for stabilizing blood sugar, improving digestion, and boosting energy. While they're super nutritious, chia seeds expand when soaked, so start with small amounts to avoid discomfort or bloating. About 1 tablespoon per day is ideal. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, magnesium, and vitamin K. These nutrients support your immune system, improve sleep, and even promote healthy skin. Pumpkin seeds are safe for most people, but overconsumption can lead to mild digestive issues. A handful or 2 tablespoons a day is perfect. 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a rich source of vitamin E, selenium, and folate. They're excellent for skin health, reducing inflammation, and boosting immunity. Though they're nutrient-dense, sunflower seeds can be high in calories if eaten in large quantities. Stick to about 1 ounce per day, especially if you're watching your weight. 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are loaded with niacin, magnesium, and calcium. They're fantastic for improving bone strength and energy levels. If consumed in large amounts, sesame seeds might trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Limit your intake to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily to enjoy the benefits safely. Want a simple way to combine the benefits of all these seeds? Here's a quick DIY recipe for a multivitamin-rich seed mix. DIY multivitamin seed mix. Combine 2 tablespoons each of flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and sesame seeds. Lightly roast them, grind them into a coarse powder if needed, and store them in an airtight container. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your smoothies, yogurt, or salads daily for a nutrient-packed boost. By choosing these natural multivitamin-rich seeds, you're nourishing your body with everything it needs to thrive. Remember, balance is key. Enjoy these seeds in moderation, stay consistent, and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a natural health boost. See you next time.